When you open Intract app and then click on messages, you will have to first choose a classroom. From there, you can see all the messages created for the particular classroom. If you want to post a message, click on the add sign at the bottom right corner, fill in the details for the message. If you want to attach media, click on attach media and then click on submit. If you want to schedule for later, click on schedule for later and select the date and time. If you click on auto replies, students can reply to your messages. Understand, all the messages under classroom will be directed to the full classroom. If you select a particular student, you can direct the message to him or her. You will have to follow the same process after selecting the particular student. Also, allowing replies to your messages is totally optional. Thank you.